of Super Rugby in 2011, and for the Hurricanes it must feel as though the season hasn't really started. So tonight's match here in the capital assumes greater importance than normal. Their opponents are the Chiefs. 1 win, 2 losses is their season summary so far. Now as the Chiefs continue to mount this attack only a couple of metres short. Now it's on for Donald. Donald probing. Donald almost there, stretching and try.
I'm happy with that. Cool. Yeah.
Let's have a look at Donald. There's no doubt about what he's doing here. Takes Eaton partly as well and just goes on the tackle. Great strength, Coach.
Well, it took over 20 minutes.
The ball only, just the ball.
But the Chiefs scored it. Here's Umano checking
obstruction. Obstruction by number 7 Black.
Shot against number 7, who is Tony Latimer. Obviously came across in front of the Hurricanes. Curls it on nicely. So good start with the ball for Aaron Kruger. Here's Tino Latimer. Plays the short pass and Broadhurst almost home. Stretch.
Let's come, Black, leave it. Still playing advantage.
Still playing the advantage.
Last feet behind the line, both feet.
As the Hurricanes fight and strike their way.
Leave on 50.
It's up off the ground this time. This will make it difficult to free it.
It's left, Hurricanes.
Now they're going to try.
On the line.
They've got to try. They've got their first try of the season. And it looks like it might be John Schroeder. He's certainly claiming it.
Well, they got there and deservedly so. The Hurricanes, a great passage. They threw everything at the Chiefs.
Well, Leonard has a little try.
Leave it, hands off.
And he might have got himself nicely on those. First side of it as right delivers the pass. Now Donald to 7 Country. That's a good pass.
No advantage. Goal offside, 7.
That's one of the Hurricanes rolling away.
I think Serge Lilo might have grabbed Brendan Leonard even before he ran with the ball. He was at the base of the Chiefs' ruck.
No problems whatsoever. So just at half-time, in fact it is half-time now, and the Donald penalty gives the Chiefs the lead at the break. Lovely side step. And get up and win again. Great work by Liam Mason. Fired on by the Chiefs, and they've got an opportunity here. Here's Umano. Umano still going. Almost got freed it up, and here is a chance for Craig.
Go away, tackler!
Walden getting close.
Advantage.
And scores.
Tackler.
Look at the step from Mason. That is superb. The front rower, I know, but it doesn't matter. Great skill. And just to hold the ball well enough too. A little bit lucky perhaps. Mr. Donald could have cleared it quickly. Remaining on the inside line, always dangerous. This defence is just doing anything it can, but they've really run out of numbers. And there's Waldron on the side. Who finishes?
Here for me. Get that number.
Chiefs live with the ball on their knees.
Hands off, Russ.
Now,
still play advantage.
Sevilla. Now Hayward. Flicks it on. Here's Taylor in a bit of space. Taylor flicks it back on the inside and hold up.
Let's go. Last feet here.
Not there yet. Here's
Go
Smith.
away, tackler. New advantage.
Got another
New
advantage.
advantage.
And they claim a try.
Time up.
They claim a try.
Whoa, whoa.
And it looks like Tyson Keats.
Checking.
Well, he might have got it under the line.
He's confident, isn't he?
Yeah, they're going to have to ask Garrett Williamson to confirm it.
Go ahead, Marius.
I believe the try has been scored, unless you can advise me otherwise. Official warning to your team, no more. No.
Still difficult to tell.
Marius?
Yes.
I have no reason. You may award the try.
Thank you.
No reason to take the fact he might have been short, but it doesn't matter.
Backward.
Ball loose. Snapped up by Elliott. Desperate times here for the Chiefs. They really need to get it over the line in this move. And they've got a good opportunity, May, and they will too. As Leonard Williams gets it going quickly. And now they have to think about a quick conversion and back and start again.
Time off. Goal 7. 7 goal.
And Williams scores that. The Hurricanes have got the 4 points out of the game, and they win it by 29 to 26.